Hi, hola. This is an urgent safety message. The Segura family are on their way to Sunday lunch with Abuelita, when all of a sudden, something alarming happens. You see, their car has a recalled airbag made by the Takata Corporation. These airbags are currently in millions of vehicles spanning many makes and models. They could be in yours too. If the airbag goes off in a crash, the inflator may blow apart, sending pieces of metal into the vehicle. Several people have died. Hundreds have been seriously injured. Find out if your vehicle has a recalled Takata airbag by visiting checkyourvehicles.com. Just provide your vehicle identification number, and if you're in need of a free replacement, call your dealer and schedule an appointment immediately. The replacement is free. And tell your family, your friends, your neighbors. Tell everyone. Check your vehicles now.